to manage the storage of your ChatGPT account. So hey guys, welcome to this new tutorial, and in this new quick tutorial I'll show you how you can manage the storage of your ChatGPT account. So basically ChatGPT also have limited spaces, especially that contains all of the images that it produces, all of the prompts that you give in forms of images or other content like voice notes, documents, PDFs, even videos as well. So let me show you how you can find out how much storage you have actually used up and manage the same. So to do that, first you will need to click onto your profile picture at the bottom left corner in the chatgpt.com website, and then click onto this settings option. Now within the settings, go to this storage option, and within the storage you will see that currently I have got 20 gigabytes of storage, out of which for just 4.81 megabytes have been used. And under this section you have this manage storage option, from where you can manage the files and the images that are currently present into the storage. So if I click onto the files option, you can see all of the files that are currently in the storage, and you can also choose the option to download or delete them as per your own need according to the modified date as well. So that's how easily you can manage the storage in your ChatGPT account. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.